So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to organize your Microsoft Planner bucket. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Microsoft Planner through your Microsoft account. After that, let's open some plan that has buckets. You can also go through a new plan and then organize it through here. So you can see here the option says these are the buckets. By the way, it says here add a bucket. So it's sort of a title for a column, and it's going to be better and easier to organize your work through buckets. So on here, you can just click on that. You can rename it. You can also go through the three dots to rename it, delete, move right, and so on. So you can also click on here. So it's a color picker. So you can organize it through there. You can also see it organized like this. And finally, you can click on add a bucket, and to sort it through here, you can also group stuff like this to see a better view through grouping either by bucket or assigned to or progress or finish date, labels, priority, sprint, and goal. You can also filter it through here. So you can see there's a lot of ways that you can categorize and organize your buckets. The best way would be, I would say, to just create a new one, add tasks to them, and then organize by task within each bucket. And you can see here how it will look. You can also go to your own tasks. These are buckets with your own task that you can't organize that much, but on your plans it's a different tail, so you can do it through here, and that's the best way to organize your tasks within a plan. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.